Hi, data science students. A few of you have emailed me and you're having a little trouble with one of the assignments this week. So I'm going to make this video. I'm going to do a quick overview of the assignments that you need to complete, and I'm going to go over one of the Boxplot examples that some of you are struggling with. So this week's material is in Measures of Center, 222 to 226. You have a data talk. It looks like 12 of you have already completed it. Good job. Here is a Boxplot video showing you how to do box plots. Here's a set of notes on how to do box plots. Here is the website that you need to complete the assignment, and then you're going to take screenshots of your assignment and paste those into this Boxplot assignment, which was actually due yesterday, but as long as you get it done, you'll get full credit still. So here, when you click on the box plots, you are going to get these questions to build the box plots. You should do level 1 first, which is just filling in a diagram. Level 2 asks you to answer some questions on box plots that they give you. And then here in level 3, which all of you that have emailed me, this is where it seems like you guys need a little extra help. I am going to do this number 3. So number 3 says, hold on, I'm just trying to make sure. Now, when you do your box plots, make sure you use the area above the numbers. So the following lists of lengths in meters of a tortoise's daily walk, 81, 64, etc. Draw circles and create a box plot. Well, here I wrote down the numbers from the problem. So I'm going to write them here, which was 81, 64, 57, 37, 96, 92, 56, 96 again. That would be a mode then, because it's the most, possibly. 60 and 36. Now, when you do this on your own, this website will generate unique question sets each time. So you'll get different numbers than these 11 numbers. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to write these numbers in order, smallest to largest. What I like to do is I write my numbers down, I cross them off so that I know which ones I've written down. So I have 36, 37. The next one, we jump to 51. Then we have 56 and 57. 56, 57, 60, 64, 81, 92. It really helps me to cross these out so I don't miss any. 96 and 96 twice. There's 11 numbers, so I'm going to count just to make sure I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, if we start marking these off from both sides, the first thing we want to do is we want to find the median of our data set. So 1, 1, marking them off. You flip these over when you were doing the card activity last week so that we can find the middle number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. So that makes this middle number the median. We have this number down here. I like to call this number the minimum. Has a few different names. This one is the maximum. Okay. Now on a previous weeks, you had to find range, which was max minus the minimum. Now, when you're doing a box plot, what you're going to do is you're going to ignore this top half of the data set and figure out what is the middle of just the bottom numbers. So here is my bottom half. of my numbers. And now we're going to find the middle number again. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. That makes the middle number 51. This is called the lower quartile or quartile 1. Now we're going to do the same thing on the top half. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle number is 92. That's called our Q3, and that is the upper quartile. I do not know what my camera is doing. Hopefully it's not blinking like it's blinking for me. Right now, once you have found all these quartiles, what you're going to do is you're going to make a number line. Number line. If you have to draw it on the graph here, it'll already be drawn for you. And you have to, we need numbers from 36 to 96. So I would probably go by fives. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I should probably space these a little better. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Now, when you do a box plot, I would start with doing a dot at the minimum. So 36, you want to put this up above the line. So 36 would be about right here. 96 is just beyond the end. So those are the ends of my box plot. The median gets a solid line. And this is going to be the middle of your box. The upper part of the box is this 92 number. Should be right here. And then the lower quartile is the bottom part of the box. This is the 51. Now these three lines that we made create the box. And we just connect our box out to our minimum and our maximum, like so. I'm going to write these numbers down because I'm going to show you how to build them in the program. So over here on the activity, we just completed this number 3. You need to first pull the dot out to the maximum, which we found was 96. So there's 95, 96. Now it's going to start pulling, and this is going to be the end of the box, and we want this at 92. So that's right there. I don't know how fussy this is going to be. 92. Pull the middle out to 60. The bottom of the box plot, we need to pull out to 51, which is right there. And then the minimum was at 36. And we've built our box plot. Now, if we go down to the bottom here, which I would like you to do before you take a picture, go down to the bottom, all the way bottom, and hit check. And if you come up here, it gave me a green check. And that means I've done this problem correctly. Then there's a video from earlier. You're going to take a screenshot of this and then just cut and paste it into that document. Thank you for sending me the questions so that I knew that you needed this video. And if you need more help, send me another email.